Welcome to ReviewZen. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best heat printer based on quality, smart features, durability, price, and real user reviews. Check the description below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to ReviewZen for more awesome tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Slendor BZ1800 Heat Press Machine. The Slendor BZ1800 Heat Press Machine is a versatile and durable crafting solution designed for creating professional quality custom apparel, hats, tumblers, and other personalized projects. Powered by a 110V system and capable of reaching temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides fast, even heat distribution for consistent and long-lasting transfer results. Its sturdy metal construction, user-friendly design, and spacious working area make it ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters, as well as small business owners. Weighing 37.4 pounds for added stability during operation, the Slendor BZ1800 is built to handle a wide range of heat transfer applications with precision and reliability, making it an excellent choice for home workshops and commercial use alike. Number 2. VEVOR 15x15 Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR 15x15 Heat Press Machine is a reliable and easy-to-use heat press designed for creating high-quality custom t-shirts, bags, pillows, and other fabric projects. Powered by a 1200W heating system and operating on 120V AC, it delivers consistent heat across its spacious 15x15-inch pressing surface for clean, professional transfer results. Built with durable alloy steel and aluminum construction, along with a Teflon-coated heating plate, silica gel pad, and sponge pad, it helps protect materials while ensuring even pressure and heat distribution. Weighing 40 pounds for added stability, this heat press is ideal for DIY crafters, hobbyists, and small businesses looking to produce personalized apparel and gifts with dependable performance and long-lasting durability. Number 3. YIIFIISET YFDGN01 Heat Press Machine. The YIIFIISET DGN01 Heat Press Machine is a powerful and durable electric press designed for precision heat transfer and rosin pressing applications. Featuring an 1800W heating system and operating on 110V, it reaches temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius, 428 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering fast, even heat for consistent and reliable results. Its sturdy metal construction and stable 1 pound design provide excellent durability and control during operation, making it suitable for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and small business use. With its spacious pressing area, efficient heating performance, and user-friendly operation, the YIIFIISET YFDGN01 is an excellent choice for users seeking dependable performance for a wide range of heat press and rosin extraction projects. Number 4. RIZZLIZ F3880 Heat Press Machine. The RIZZLIZ F3880 Heat Press Machine is a dependable and user-friendly solution for creating professional quality custom t-shirts and other heat transfer projects. Designed for both beginners and experienced crafters, it features a powerful heating system that reaches temperatures up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, providing fast, even heat distribution for vibrant and long-lasting transfers. Powered by an AC adapter, the machine offers reliable performance and consistent results, while its sturdy construction ensures stability during operation. With a spacious work area and intuitive design, the RIZZLIZ F3880 is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts, home crafters, and small businesses looking to produce personalized apparel with ease and precision. Number 5. HTVRONT Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Heat Press Machine, SGRYJ0043, is a high-performance heat press designed to deliver professional quality results for custom t-shirts, vinyl transfers, and other DIY crafting projects. Operating on 120V power, It features an advanced heating system with an adjustable temperature range from 160 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 410 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring even heat distribution for crisp, durable transfers. Its sturdy 43-pound construction provides excellent stability during operation, while the spacious pressing area makes it ideal for handling a variety of garments and heat transfer materials. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or small business owner, the HTVRONT heat press machine offers reliable performance, easy operation, and consistent results, making it a great choice for creating personalized apparel and custom designs.